All right, so here's an update on the K&N filter, fuel filter. So one, we're going to address the leak that's going on right here because it's seated out at the bottom and doesn't seal tightly. So this is going to be cinched down and then brought up a little bit on the fuel filter. And two, show you how well this thing works. How much debris it's caught already. Let's get this sleeve off. Got the fuel in here. See all the debris in here? All that at the bottom. So of course we're gonna let that run, drain out the rest of the fuel, take it off, pop it open, get the debris out. Fresh fuel, of course, in the tank. Put this on. We're gonna tighten this down correctly, and we're gonna use a tool, a socket set, so we can really cinch it down. And we're not gonna have it seated all the way at the bottom at the base. So when it's pulling fuel, it's pumping, it creates back pressure and spills out right over here on this fuel line. So we're gonna do that later video. I'm not gonna do that tonight. But yeah, this is a great investment if you have a car, bike, and you're trying to get rid of this thing right here because it gets clogged up so easily and it starves your vehicle, starves your bike with fuel. So try to get rid of your fuel strainer for tank. Hit the link below. It supports the channel, and we're gonna get more content so you can keep your car, bike, money in tip-top shape. 2 down, ride safe.
Blowing the pillar smart, but moving aimlessly.